that you apply on your skin. So guys, the first thing we need is an egg. We start from, we crack the egg. So this is the egg. You whisk the egg. So this is cocoa powder. You add half teaspoon of cocoa powder. You add it, then you mix. So the next thing you need is turmeric. You have half teaspoon of turmeric. Then you mix it. Mix it very well. So we got the mixture. This is the mixture that you apply on your skin. So this is how to apply it. So guys, this is how to apply it. You apply it on your face. You can even apply it on your neck. After applying it, you leave it for 20 minutes. Then you rinse your face with warm water. So I will be right back. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and also share this video to your family and friends. See you guys in my next video. Bye.